Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Companion TV. I'm Jenna Edwards, and this is a recipe demo of how to use leftover cranberry sauce from holiday meals. The goal is to give you some options for using up the cranberry sauce, whether it's canned or fresh, without creating more work for yourself or having to, throw away good food. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get right to it. We need a package of frozen puff pastry sheets that will cut along the folds. So we have 3 long pieces. We'll fold that into thirds as well and cut along those folds. In a muffin tin, we'll gently push this in to make little cups. And we're not looking to literally line the muffin tins. We're just trying to make it a little concave. You do need to grease the muffin tin or use muffin liners. Otherwise, the pastry sticks and your cups will lose all of their stability and their construction. So for this first idea, we'll make it savory with some herbed goat cheese. I've also used black pepper Boursin cheese. Anything soft would work well. Anything tart or anything creamy like Brie or Camembert. And no more than a teaspoon of cheese per pastry cup. And then spoon in about a teaspoon of the cranberry sauce. For a similar idea, I used lemon curd, about a teaspoon with, again, a teaspoon of cranberry sauce. Now for the sweet version, I folded down the corners so I could tell the difference from the savory version since I was cooking them all together. And I sprinkled a touch of sugar on top of the pastry. For a third option, we're still using squares, or maybe uneven rectangles is more accurate, but we're making a cute fold-over pastry. So cut corners into 2 opposing corners and spread your filling diagonally across the middle and fold over the outer strips of pastry. They technically should meet in the middle, but if you're making this after a big holiday meal, then let's not get hung up on those details. I've made 2 examples with just cranberry sauce, but I gotta say, doing a layer of Nutella is pretty fabulous. These also get a sprinkle of sugar because the puff pastry doesn't have any nuance of flavor, which is what makes it so versatile for sweet and savory usages. For all of these, we'll bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. And that's just the basic instructions on the puff pastry box. Now here they are out of the oven, nicely puffed and a touch brown. I'm sure there's plenty of other ways that you could come up with for using cranberry sauce with different types of cheeses or sweeter, sauces, different types of curds, or mixing with other jams. The one thing I haven't tried is just making a shortbread, tart crust like I do for the jam tarts and using that with maybe a little extra Nutella drizzled over it. That would be another option to try, which you can also still try with a puff pastry. And that's it for my ideas of how to effortlessly use up extra cranberry sauce. Get the ingredient list below or at cookingcompaniontv.com/cranberry pastry. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to this channel for more demos just like this. I'm Jenna Edwards, and thanks for watching.